startup is the only startup from Germany, actually, and we have two female founders who founded FinMarie, and I welcome Camilla on stage, who will present her startup now.
Hello, I'm Camilla, and I'm the co-founder of FinMarie. So, FinMarie is the first online wealth management platform for women in Germany. So why did we come up with this idea? Because there is unfairness. There are many challenges and problems in the financial market in Germany that can be overcome. So women earn 21% less than men in Germany. Women invest 30% less than men in Germany. And women receive 60% smaller old age security pension than men in Germany. These gaps are huge and hardly changing over time. So this is why we are here, and we want to make a change in the financial market. So let me introduce our idea from Marie's view. Marie is 35 years young. She's a working wife and mother of 2 children. She lacked financial knowledge and was unprepared to make even a small financial decision. She was not financially independent. One day she became an important part of our Mind the Gap community, where she educates herself, becomes confident with this topic, and gains trust. Our Mind the Gap community was created with the purpose of building a financial education group for all women. And when Marie is ready, FinMarie is there for her with an individualized long-term portfolio that takes into account not only her higher life expectancy, but also all the career breaks that Marie has to take due to raising children or taking care of elderly family members. FinMarie initially will invest in exchange-traded funds that are actually a cost-effective way to achieve diversification. But our big goal is to build a sustainable fund which makes investments in female-led companies. And why? The reasons for that are straightforward. The first one, and this is really big, because female-led companies, they have higher rates of return by 2%. And then the second one, because this is consistent out and out with our mission of empowering women. Women that invest, and also women that lead the successful companies we want to invest in. So our target market are 28 million women in Germany with a lot of money, because 30% of private wealth are held by women. And honestly, we all know that when it comes to managing family budget, women have the pants on. So the market is huge with awakening interest. What makes FinMarie better than the alternative? This is our value chain, the big picture. We had significant traction through our Mind the Gap community. We want to make a positive social change, and there is really a big opportunity for women to become independent, financially independent. So FinMarie stands for financial freedom, financial independency, and financial feminism. We earn money through our transparent provision system. This is 1% of assets under management. There are no trading commissions, no hidden fees, no financial advisor salaries. And the money is protected and regulated by our partner bank, DAB, BNP Paribas. We target our operational break-even point by 2020. Now we are developing our minimum viable product with our partner bank. And we plan our day one on 15th of September this year. So our team, we are 2 female founders with more than 10 years of experience in finance, combined with extensive theoretical knowledge. We are also mothers, and we care about the future of Marie, about the future of all women and girls, and we are here to make a change in the financial market. So invest in FinMarie, and please help us to constitute the statement, invest like a woman. Thank you.